Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.1 question number 7. In a village, 6 fruit merchants sold the following number of fruits baskets in a particular season. Right? Number here you see first of all that is one picture represent 100 fruit baskets. Right? Therefore, name of the fruit merchants, number of fruit baskets. Right? Here we can say that one picture represent 100 fruit baskets. Therefore, you have to count all the fruit baskets first. Here you see this one. Rahim has number of fruit baskets, that is to count, that is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? That means, and one picture represent 400 fruit baskets. Therefore 4 into 100, 4 into 100, that is equal to 400 fruit baskets. 400 is equal to 400 fruit baskets. This is for Rahim. And Lakhanpal has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and half. That is 5.5 into 100 baskets, and that comes to 550. 550. Right? Next, Anwar has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, and each picture represent 100 fruit basket. Therefore 7 into 100, and that is equal to 700. And in question, Martin has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 and a half, that is 9.5. 9.5 into 100, that is 950. 950. And Ranjit has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. That is 8 into 100. 8 into 100. That comes to 800. Right? And Joseph has 1, 2, 3, 4 and half. That is 4.5. 4.5 into 100. That is comes to 450. Now the question. Observe the pictograph. Now the question is, observe this pictograph and answer the following questions. Which merchant sold the maximum number of baskets? Which merchant sold the maximum number of baskets? Let us find, that is 400, 400, 550, 700, 950, 800, that is 950 is the highest, right? That is the name of this merchant is Martin, right? Martin sold 950 number of baskets, right? That is which merchant sold the maximum number of basket, that is name of the merchant is Martin, right? Therefore write the name only, that is Martin. Right? That is Martin sold the maximum number of basket, that is he sold 950 baskets, right? Now question B. How many fruit baskets were sold by Anwar? Here see, this is for Anwar. Anwar has sold 700 baskets, right? Anwar has sold 700 baskets. Anwar has sold 700 baskets. Now question number C. What is question number C? The merchants who have sold 600 or more number of baskets are planning to buy a godown for the next season. Can you name them? The merchants who have sold 600 or more number of baskets are planning to buy a godown for the next season. Can you name them? The merchants who have sold 600 or more number of baskets. 600 or more, that is 600 or more, that is 700, 700, this is 950, 800, right? That means these three. The one is Anwar, Martin and Ranjit Singh. The merchants who have sold 600 or more number of baskets are planning to buy a godown for the next season. Can you name them? The name of the merchants were Anwar, first, second, third, that is Anwar. The name of the merchants were Anwar sold 700 fruit baskets. Martin sold 900. Oh, no, this is actually how much. Let us find out. This one is Martin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5. This is 9.5 actually. 9.5, right? This is 9.5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5. 950, right? Now the merchants who have sold 600 or more number of baskets are planning to buy a godown for the next season. Can you name them? That is Anwar. Anwar sold 700 baskets and Martin sold 950 baskets and Ranjit Singh and Anwar, Martin and Ranjit Singh and Ranjit Singh and Ranjit Singh and Ranjit Singh. These three merchants, the name of the merchants are Anwar, Martin and Ranjit, who have sold 600 or more number of baskets. This is the solution of question number 7, exercise 9.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.